Phonics Lesson 12. To begin Phonics Lesson 12, we are going to name letters and go over their common sounds. So let's begin. Our first letter is letter I. Letter I makes the I sound. I. Can you make the I sound? I. If you are nonverbal, remember, say each letter and their common sound in your mind. Our second letter is F. Letter F makes the F sound. Can you make the F sound? Great job. Our next letter is letter G. G makes the G sound. G. Can you make the sound for letter G? G. G. Very good. Our next letter is letter R. Letter R makes the sound. Can you make the letter R sound? Great job. Our next letter is letter S. Letter S makes the S sound. S. Can you make the sound for letter S? S. Very good. And our last letter is letter T. Letter T makes the T sound. T. Can you make the sound for letter T? T. Fantastic. Making words. In this part, we will be making words using the letters that we just reviewed. Let's begin. Our first word has 2 letters in it. And remember, the letters that we are choosing from are the letters that we just went over. I, F, G, R, S, T. Our first word is. Is has 2 letters. If we sound out the word is, the first sound I hear is I. I. Which sound or which letter makes the sound I? If you're at home, you can put a circle around this letter like I am, or you can point to it. Letter I makes the I sound. Is. The second sound I hear is S. Which letter makes the S sound? Letter S makes the S sound. Okay, let's go ahead and write the word is. I, S. I, S spells the word is. Very good. Our next word has 2 letters as well. The word is if. If. The first sound I hear in the word if is I. What letter makes the I sound? Great job. If you chose the letter I, you are correct. If. The second sound I hear in the word if is the F sound. What letter makes the F sound? Letter F makes the F sound. If you chose letter F, you are correct. Let's go ahead and write out the word if. If starts with letter I, and then our second letter is F. I-F spells if. Very good, everybody. Our third word has 3 letters. Our word is rig. Rig. R-I-G. Rig. The first sound I hear in the word rig is the sound. What letter makes the sound? Right. Letter R makes the sound. The next sound I hear in the word rig is I. Which letter makes the I sound? Very good. Letter I makes the I sound. So we have I, G. I hear the G sound at the end of rig. What letter makes the G sound? If you chose letter G, you are correct. Let's go ahead and write out our word, rig. R-I-G. R-I-G spells rig. Fantastic. Our next word has 3 letters in it. This word is sit. S-it. Sit. The first sound I hear in the word sit is the S sound. What letter makes the S sound? Correct. Letter S makes the S sound. Our second letter makes the I sound. What letter makes the I sound? If you chose letter I, you are correct. We have S, I, T. The last sound I hear in the word sit is the T sound. What letter makes the T sound? Correct. Letter T makes the T sound. So if we were going to write out our word was sit. It is S, I, T. S-I-T spells sit. And our last word has 4 letters in it. Our last word is figs. Figs. F-I-G-S. Figs. The first letter sound I hear in the word figs is the F sound. What letter makes the F sound? Correct. F makes the F sound. Our second sound is I. What letter makes the I sound? Letter I makes the I sound. Great job. Our third letter makes the G sound. What letter makes the G sound? Letter G, you are correct. And our last letter in the word figs makes the S sound. What letter makes the S sound? Correct. S makes the S sound. So if we were to spell out our word figs, it would look like this. F I G S. Figs. Okay. Our next section is word sort. We are going to count how many letters are in each word. Our first word is is. Is. Is has I-S. How many letters are in the word is? We have I-S. So therefore it is 1, 2. Is has 2 letters in it. Our next word is if. I-F. Let's count. How many letters are in the word if? 1, 2. There are 2 letters in the word if. Our last word on this page is the word it. I-T spells it. How many letters are in the word it? Let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 letters in the word it. Is, if, and it all have 2 letters in them. Okay, here are some larger words this time. Let's get started. Our first word is rig. R-I-G. How many letters are in the word rig? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 letters in the word rig. Let's bop on over here to the word rigs. We've added an S at the end. R-I-G-S. How many letters are in the word rigs? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters in the word rigs. Our next word is figs. F-I-G-S. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters in the word figs. Our last word is fits. F-I-T-S. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters in the word fits. Now, let's circle the word that ends with IT. IT spells it. We have IT, it, or IF, if. Point to the word that ends with it. If you pointed to the word on the left side with IT, you are correct. Great job. This time, I still want you to circle the word. Find the word that ends with it. Be careful, because now there's an extra letter. Which word ends with it? I should see an I and a T. Can you point to the word that ends with it? If you chose the word sit, you are correct. I see S-I-T. Sit ends with I-T. Great job. Again, let's find the word that ends with it. Can you point to the word that ends with it? We have fig and fit. Find the word that ends with it. If you chose fit, you are correct. Transfer words. This is the word today. What letter does the word today begin with? If you chose T, you are correct. Today starts with letter T. Our next word is second. What letter does second begin with? If you chose the letter S, You are correct.